Welcome to Limping Manufacturer. Glad to show you our factory. This is Mickey. This is Sunny. Now you are seeing is Limping showroom for display machine and cutting samples. Here is our high quality spare part. This is Max Laser Source. We are VIP supplier for Max Laser Source. This is Ritos Auto Laser Head. Now I will show you cutting samples. This is 6mm carbon steel. And this is copper Mickey. You can see the sample. This is Limping special tube. The following is the show of Limping main product. This is Limping hot cell fiber laser cutting machine with high cost performance. It's equipped with a Ritos laser head, zip cut control system, Max laser source or IPG laser source available. Now it's Sunny's time. Hi, this is Sunny. Okay, now let me introduce our workshop. This is our workshop. For every month, we produce about 105 machines and deliver it to all over the world. They are our rich, experienced workers and produce details. Almost our workers have more than 5 years experience, and they are producing machines for our Qingdao exhibition. As above you saw, during the work, we still have so many orders and normal produce and short delivery. Quality control is still strict. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiry. We will fight the virus together with you. Thanks for your time.